nikirundekerene negokurentera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora Met Kisumu Migori nichisemo chinde chinyinge nigo tonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo ikoye nyore Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi Ndizi TV obwensu uomogusi.
Miesano mwanjumuri andonsia soberete nandene weekend yende geto konyana na sembeo nena somoroberi gose asama saya mangana maya kokori ni yaro ko bamuna inchi go ikomari rinkwere na rali na kor sangiri kuria kete go kaboniga no kubori kwane bono ikaranso ikerinde nkwerere ekarori tukuria chima mosti tariki kianda mutinyukane mwako 2022 nebere yo ikaransa o ikena magena kwaria ni kuruchingo ngonye chenze irianyi moja suguswamo na bosongo kendra gutubwate na gutubwate sensemeri ye mitandao Facebook kutonyora Ndizi TV News waiga sensemeri ya YouTube na bogotonyora Ndizi TV News waigo na bogoto tweet @Ndizi TV News ekarengeri kiao ni gotukare ndikirensa kireta ikagwetera ase namba eyira se screen yao igorabu gutuma ribolia utuma uchumbe yao gwetera ase namba eyira se screen yao igo ase ikagitaria gake gwira nande linde kumanyi na gusangiri kuria keto ikaboniga gitariane Brighton Makori. Tuga chaka buna yokoriye kirugo kyobo chumbe kurwa sebunge ya kitutu ja chinoti engineer mwebi nikobona nyaleka gote abune budget ya nyara kego somwanigo ere yebirengo bigoro mono anene krate biruna baliba okonyorogo ketibara turibaga gose budget ya someto teba tiribaga lisaine kiranyereka gote abune birengo bibotaka nigo biendete kwenekirwa asense yeito ya Kenya kurende nigate bune serikali takere kubike mirubiri ya bene likwenekibra baliba okonyorogo gengo chibargo konyeka ase budget ya nyara kego somwa lituko liaramisi
Kendo kyuko kumye mutakani gaage tuo egesire kana namono esaburia maguta amendete anene mone karukurigeria abandu bakorate finance ekara maguta amendere kere gendo ga komenda Kenya twara ne tio musiko ubuna gochikuruo aruo roga atigeta bataka baigotete kanga bona yiretie ndagera muno gosie oira nainse amabere aira nainse amaguta zibimbage chinyinira nainse bona bataka baito kororo kana urutarama nya bataka baito una bachande getangana ekera komende ibintu kuna bona boda ako bamendera umusigo umete boda ne no mutaka omwerwa na bataka ba minto no bakori na boda bagende sabari bona ara kuna boda gotagende dia bataka pi abana kurari bageri arigererie gendeke arigereria gapate dia migena roche asanara tumete bafechieto arusinke akonya abantu ba boda na barubanyore insurance ya tero ningia gere go protect the extent na customer no manyene
Asijinga gejejo rijadi mwebi ni ganyareka kote abuna gusana ganyareka kubulia serikali kubeke mirubiri ya bene anene mirubiri yo kusangilie bango ili Kenya nyareke okonya kanena se budget yo yasome tulituko lejima mosi ni ganyareka kote abuna umurayo rajigo soa asentunda ya gatano buno umurayo Kenya na yachiko nyora libaga linene asoko implement ya budget ya nyareke kosomwa lituko lia aramisi bego ni ganyareka kutwara kosemelia buno umurayo yura chikobo yo gatano no umurayo kiama gyo diemrera murodinga asate biruna na chiko ikirani ikatibe nacho ikarani budget yo ya nyara kegosomwa
ayo go chandu ma no marayo mokong musikera irotinga na omanyete ng'ana ero goteka oba niga mubekirete budget yarere ngiya arache komeki Kenya gendera bwango anere mono egento tokorera na edeni eri ere Kenya na edeni anene mono ntomanyete ng'e budget muna yabe egetugo omosikera ira nkagosoa nkorigereria are edeni eri achake koyakana naende ndagete gotega ng'afu itigoporo aise kuirana revenue ero ase narete ari gosangereri buya tobeke chisystem chingi ya Kenya engima ngabo togwafotie budget eri gosangereri egere budget ye 3.3 trillion omonto okoyesoa omonto okoyebwata gochimotwe anyara gokora ebinto bigendere tuna amagenderero dikarenti narochere igoro mono abana baito bakure chisukuru abange bari isiko bari kwemeremo naande chi-industry chibe created egere abana baito bari isiko bakure chisukuru basoe tonyore job employment opportunities
ekero abarai abagerete kwirubire gochiaso bochore bonne bw'omwaka oyo gana kuboria abakenya gose abamenyi b'ejinsa aho koba amagoko gose kobasira nigo bonekero kyo bojumbe ase bunge ya Kitutu Masaba eyegotoka ase county ya Nyamira kyarekane gotwara omonguso omonene maega yoyo maega nande yokorekana nabo bali bagochikurie kero ekinigo beso kirikoba abange mono oyo gwango goso ase kimirane kyo na Anthony Ogato oibono bweso kina otebuna nigara konya bagetutu ekabara mweli baga lyokoira gosirio ko muchumbe bwensemo iyo
nigonkorigie kerogeke ase ng'encho ntagete koleta obugambi bw'obosomba ase abantu baitu babo Kitutu Masaba nainde ntagete koleta enibo yonsi ase riegocha ase constituency ase chiward isano nemo chiabo Kitutu Masaba nabo igo nintagete koranga abana baito ba secondary school ngwakanerwa bale ebasari yabo eyobono etayo nabo igo chintakana chire ase gati yeito Kitutu Masaba chisirwe naende chiakanerwe school fees 100%. Nabo igo nindete chi computer gose resource center yera develop talents chi abana baito na gokonya abana baito kurigia chigasi alia ase chinse chigotoka chitatagetia masomo amange ayo baratumie enibo egocha ase constituency bun aso kwegendera liboka banyene
chi manifesto chia yabwate naende nchera twa mororire na mwabate nyasaye naende na musigete ase ng'encho tutaite kubeka omonto omomaene kwetera ne chi manifesto chia yatoeresire naende twegenire ng'ana tochikorere ase ng'encho abo bare nkorore nchera bachibegete ntorarora burai bonde naende bwerure ng'angu support yara abana mpaka chipaseri ase secondary naende gatogoki mono ototebi ng'a education neratanganeti eyatochandire buna bono iga abana baetete igato promise buna gosoe geti agotanganira gotokonya asa abana abasoire geti naende abwatire na abanda ororo ase tobwate biagase binene secondary
gokonya Kitutu Masaba esa babwene na gokonya Kitutu Masaba abange babeire bakobori lakini bagenda kenyomba bagokonya abana babo kulingana buna bwate omoiri
negento kumubwateseria nekerie ng'a ase tutagete omorembo bekwe ase Kitutu Masaba na security ngiya nabo iga abana mba iru skuru biya muna twarore megakati manifesto yae ikiraga guchwaka na abana 100% yabagena bagakankiringa igagwaka na chibese umwana ogende
chiserikali je county ni gobono chanyare chikoburio kubaterana na university aho irigo kine birengo byoboremi asense yaito ya Kenya ka kwana kero babwatege ikaro kyoboremi ase university ya Kisii Joseph Rangati ni gobona nyare ka hote abuno kubwaterana gwe chiserikali je county amo ne university kolengana university ni go chikobe kemerubiri ya bene irigo siro boremi asense yaito ya Kenya igonere buya county kubwaterana na ukine birengo byoboremi elia baremi banyare ba kwanya ka asense yaito ya Kenya.
The biggest challenge that the farmers face, particularly when it comes to transfer of technology, is that us, as an academia, we do a lot of research. We have suggested a lot of technologies that can be used by farmers to improve on the yield and even the quality of the materials that they'll be planting. The problem is now transfer of this particular technology. Extension, the extension should come to university, get the information that we have, and then they now give to the farmers in the field, because we are very thin on the ground. We are academia, we are professors here, we are researchers. We have done a lot of work. We know a lot of information. The problem is to transfer this particular information using the extension staff. So we ask county governments to come to Kisii University and then get our publications and our suggestions then they can now transfer to the farmers in the field. They'll benefit.
Omonyakiro bobwe gisukuru cy'abanyene Charles Onjome ni wananyarika kuyeburia serikali wetere wisara yegisemi kubeka imirobire yabena gusira gisukuru cy'abanyene ni wanatebuna nirbiya no ine serikali kubwatuka kibesu cya gisukuru cy'abanyene iri kwagaja no ne birasi bya CPC ose no nyembya biri bya Chuni secondary schools ni wana yakwanetaya litukurigoro ekarabodibuna nirbiya gisukuru cy'abanyene amone kiri kinene ose serikali gisukuru cy'serikali kubwatesiwa na serikali iri gokinie birengo bya masomo asensi yetu ya Kenya.
History will not stop. You remember I've said before that the Ministry of Education at some level, because we have had so many cabinet secretaries come, and I've been in the office for some time when I was the secretary. I remember one of the meetings we were with Matiang'i were very fruitful meetings where we agreed almost on everything, but the problem comes when these things are presented to the Treasury. That's where the rain starts beating us. So we appeal to the government, not only the Ministry of Education, to be serious on capitation for the children in public schools and private schools. That is the only way the backlogs, the traffic we see in public schools will reduce. What is the need of building so many schools in the government public schools when those schools are available in private schools? We have classrooms in private schools that are half not full because the parents say they are expensive. And what is it that is expensive? They are 30,000. Why can't the government give that capitation to reduce the cost so that these schools can be also a first choice for parents?
Omubunge ho Kirigoris Gideon Konjera ni gobona ababuliriye gosabuli bisa kubidumeta sense meli ya Narok korali omurembe na kwene kibuno omurembe nkobore karoto enda tukweri no jesobo choryo bonne bumwakoyiga nigo Konjera anyereka gote abune ense meyo gosikubatikana nabaga kabegesa kwekyo kiaba mansai nigo baene kibuno omurembe ngucyore kwene kiwa ekero to enda tukweri no jesobo choryo bonne bumwakoyi
kupitia wazee ambao jamii wameteua kuunganisha jamii zote za Masai katika Narok, wapite njia moja, waseme neno pamoja, wakijua kwamba wanataka kuchunga nchi yao, wanataka kubariki watoto yao, wanataka watoto wasome, wanataka watoto wawe madaktari, wanataka watoto wawe viongozi wa kesho. Kila mtu tumekaribisha kama jamii. Sisi ni watu wakarimu. Kuja fanya biashara yako, kuja jenga magorofa na nini, kwa maana jamii ya Masai hawatakuguza hata siku moja.
Chenye tunasema kama vijana kwa hii wakati wa ukora, tunaambia vijana wetu msitumike kwa wanasiasa, na ingine tunasema kwa mikutano mtakayo kutikana ama kuingia, muingie na mfanye chenye nimewalete, lakini msiingie kwa siasa sana, msitumike.
Umurai wekiama kya UDA baigo yoro mokonyi bumurai bwense Dr. William Ruto ni gori tukuri ale ranyaraka kwarigania kiama gya DB ekige korawa anomonogeri bwe bunge nene Justin Muturi asibabwe ko osibali ko kuiwana asibone kiama kyo kya Muturi kyanyarike goswa asobomo bwa Kenya kwanza.
Instructive that this election is actually going to be a conversation about the economy. And that's why the joining of the Democratic Party to the Kenya Kwanza alliance is significant, that they bring on board the economic conversation that was always led by President Mwai Kibaki. And therefore, we are very proud this morning that we are enlarging this team and making the winning of the next general election a reality and as close as possible to being what it should be. Let me say, as a person who has also worked with Justin Muturi, that it's a pleasure, my brother Justin Muturi, that you lead a team, and we have a history together. We have worked many years on the same side of the political equation. This would have probably been the only time we would be on different sides of the equation. But again, fate has had it that we will again be on the same side of the political equation.
Aboroki bengoyo ase korwa ase county ya Kisii nigo bono basabirwe na bamwe abogoswa ase kiombe erigosira chigosori ime yorogongo rwa Gusii koreng'ana na bari basoira ase kiombe ekio gosaborokia be chigosori gose bengoyo bari bakire goswa ase biombe ao nigo bono banyade bagosaba bamwe ababugoswa ase biombe erigosira chigosori ime yorogongo rwa Gusii
naro chimbia kwisara chiko chons tro association yito tuzi tuwakonya ngakia mare nonye ngakia
Ntundu nyumba yaito umurango ito munore wazi. Umurango ito nore wazi onde bwensi coach ende yonsi egofiri nganeta ito to join kururogongo ronde bwensi rwa Gusii. Na benere welcome eche join na into ntobwate WhatsApp group. Ache I register to bere mari so that tuwa manyanga ngaki toko gendera go chigosio. Chikochi nchire chitaiyo. Chikochi nchire chitaiyo. Oiso kwenda kurubogira ngoma ate chitimu ne chinyinge kuru small simba oiso kwenda kurubo machoge rogoro wapi chikochi abo bonsi pi ndo batagete bache ai join na into so that to skepo simune team
tutagete chikochi chonsi chia Gusii join association ya ito ekiagera nere ko make sure nga grassroots gali chikochi chianyo re platform yoko chakoba trained koba chikochi bari approved by FIFA na CAF.
Umurubiri wo kwegeria abagosoria wetanga kurwa so gutumika mariogo y'ubutindi ni kagendereta se county ya Kisii ase bono abaminyoki gose abagosori bonsi banyari bakwegeru ubuya bwo gotiga gutumika mariogo ayo anekro yanyarige korekana murasa matuko amaiga nigo abagosori abangi banyara bagutikusko koreng'ana nigo batogete buna nigo bagutumika mariogo y'ubutindi bono ekiombe ekyo niyo kendete ko basomia na kubegeria obobe bwo gutumika mariogo y'obutindia.
But normally zimekatazwa kwa mchezo. We advise our athletes tafadhali don't self-medicate. Enda hospitali na prohibited list. Ambia daktari mimi ni mchezaji. Tafadhali usinitibu na any of these substances that are on this list. Madaktari wanaielewa kabisa.
And we are going around the county and even the country creating awareness on the fight against doping in sport, providing an education session for them whereby we are targeting to build their competence on issues related to the fight against doping in sport. So we are doing that to our athletes, to coaches, to managers, to team doctors, so that now they have information on the whole process of anti-doping. The code requires that all athletes and all athlete support personnel that they know and comply with all anti-doping policies and rules. So therefore, the urge is for athletes and athlete support personnel to build their capacity, to keep on asking for anti-doping education, to keep on attending such kind of workshops whereby they can build their capacity on matters related to anti-doping.
Ayuna ona kwarania se jinse jiga korende chiguraga chinsa 14 chikwira na SMS ya mangana mai heringo manye amange bunaenda te gwateka imena isko ya Gusii no kuboli kwa nagendera kubwati mirobiri ya Ndizi TV na ero bwansu Gusii na ndengo gwakira nambiya mona soko gajora kugerigereria Ndizi TV na ero bwansu Gusii mirobiri ne menge to kwarania tidituko ria rero ase kagetaria gake kurubo ase kagetaria gake kurubono gose gake kurubono iguchukumirana na babu mkongwe asomoromberi orumba agotengi kabisa arakoretera chingero cha rumba igotoska ikiagara litukira Jumamosi babu mukongwe nigagoswa se studio nero na kwa gutumbuisa kego kabisa igono akwaria ni ibinte bitindi kabisa bunago ntebya igotoska kero isikoska nigoreterwe amange indi ria ne butambe nigongorukwa Brighton Makori.